Welcome to the Visible Body 2021 web tutorial. The first step is to navigate to the Kishwaukee College Library site at the bottom of the page. Next, you are going to want to navigate to our A to Z databases site. You can find this under the Looking for Library Resources heading. Click on the list of online databases hyperlink. Next, you are going to navigate to the Visible Body 2021 database. You can find this under the letter V. Now click on the Visible Body Human Anatomy 2021 link. This may take a second to load. Now you are going to want to click on the Visible Body link in the blue banner at the top of the page. On this new page you can click on the Human Anatomy Atlas logo. This will take you to a new page. Click on Launch Human Anatomy Atlas to launch the application. This may take time to load. Once loaded, you should be able to access the application. Now you're ready to go.